guys, Nalani with Stonethetic here, and today I have a great video for you. It's on how to make this very simple pattern. It's called Black Galaxy Granite. As you can see here, I have the sample board with me. As you can see, it shines quite a bit in the light. This is a great sample board for if you're wanting a more simple pattern that looks a bit like the Black Galaxy Granite that are in the box stores. It also is a good thing to see how this sort of pattern can look on its own, since it looks a bit like a starry night sky, and that you can use to your advantage in many other patterns. Use it to incorporate into other patterns like we did for our client during the Star Wars kitchen renovation. This was important because that way we could get the effect of stars being in the stone itself. And so we did this beforehand, so that way we would be able to know a bit on how to do that effect in others. So it's both useful as a pattern on its own and to incorporate its techniques in other patterns in the future. First, we get our 2-part epoxy poured and mixed for 2 minutes, and then put in a little silver glitter and a little black glitter. Then we get our drill and we mix until thoroughly distributed. If you think that it needs a little bit more, you can add more, but I wouldn't suggest it. As you can see, I did that here, and I think it came out a bit strong for this pattern. It can be a little hard to gauge from the epoxy in the bucket alone, just first glancing at it. However, if you like a really strong, sparkly pattern, then go for it. After everything is mixed, pour the epoxy out onto your board and trowel it out. When troweling, mix the epoxy in the middle by folding it into itself first, then spread it evenly around the board and into the edges and corners. Chop the epoxy out with a brush to remove any trowel lines that may be left behind. Make sure to chop radially and not in lines, followed by brushing out the edges in long, even strokes. This ensures a smooth finish and even coverage on your edges. Grab your torch and make sure to go over the epoxy in slow, linear waves multiple times. Make sure you do this step carefully, trying not to miss any spots. You can see the torch doing its job, popping all the bubbles in these close-ups. Well, this was a fun pattern to make, just a very easy, simple pattern. Nothing much to it, but still very nice to look at. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe to our channel to see many more videos on how to do epoxy patterns and renovations. Make sure to leave a comment below telling us what you thought of this video, and feel free to share it with all of your friends. From all of us here at Stonethetic, built by you, built for less, built to last. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching!